If you want to greet someone in Spanish and ask what's up, you can say ¿Qué tal? Or ¿Qué pasa? Both expressions are common in Spanish-speaking countries and are often used in casual conversations among friends and acquaintances. ¿Qué tal? Literally means how's it going? And is a friendly and informal way to start a conversation. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in different contexts, whether you're meeting someone for the first time or catching up with an old friend. On the other hand, ¿Qué pasa? Literally means what's happening, and is also a popular way to say what's up in Spanish. This expression is more commonly used among friends and family, and it conveys a sense of familiarity and closeness. So next time you're speaking Spanish with someone, remember to use these phrases to greet them and ask them how they're doing. It's a simple way to show that you're interested in their well-being and to start a friendly conversation. Hey there, fellow language learners! Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish.